Let's read source 3 for the Colonial Women investigation. It's titled Laws on Slave Descent, Virginia, 1662. But first, let's remind ourselves of the central question, because that's the purpose for reading this source. Was there a common experience for women in colonial North America? Okay, let's read the source, starting with the attribution to find out where the source comes from. From the Statutes at Large, being a collection of all the laws of Virginia, edited by William Waller Henning and published in 1969. Let's continue with a headnote to find out more details about the source. The original system of African servitude in America was temporary. The first Africans who were kidnapped and forced to come to America in the 1620s could gain freedom, marry, raise a family, and own land. However, Virginia laws show that Europeans made slavery a permanent system based on race, one law at a time. The average enslaved woman gave birth to her first child at 19 years old and had one child every 2.5 years after that. Although enslaved African women of this time left behind no written records, the laws provide hints about what their lives might have been like. Okay, now we're ready to read the source itself. Let's see what this law says. Virginia, 1662. Act 12. Negro women's children to serve according to the conditions of the mother. There have been some doubts about whether children between an Englishman and a Negro woman should be slave or free. Be it therefore enacted and declared by the present Grand Assembly that all children born in the country shall be held bond or free only according to the condition of the mother.